What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to do sleeve prints. I already have my heat press set up. There's a few different ways you can do sleeve prints. The long sleeves, not the short sleeves. So I'm going to be showing one way of how I do them without having the platen change out, where you could just slide it on, or how screen printers have it where they could just slide it on, which is using your standard heat press. I'm going to show you a way that's easy for me. I'm sure other people have different ways of doing it out there, but this is the way that I would do it. And I'm going to actually bring the camera over, show you guys how I do prints on the sleeves. Also, if you haven't seen my last few videos, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a Cricut Air Explorer 2. So get subscribed to the channel. I'm doing it March 24th. I'm going to be picking whoever the winner is. So let's just get right into the video quick, and I'm going to show you guys how I print on the sleeves. Okay, so first off, the print I'm using, it's a Goof Proof from Transfer Express. So the temperature has to be 360, 370 for 3 to 5 seconds, medium to firm pressure. So let's see, let me turn this down. I got the I put mine at 6 seconds. That's just how I am. They're white prints. These are Goof Proof. So the size of this, let's see here. I already have it set up here. I'm only going, it's a 2-inch in height. You don't want to go too big with it. And 10.5, which I got from the seam right here up. I got about 2.5 inches up from that. So this is more or less if you want to see it from the front. So I follow it down right from the seam here at the top, up next to the neck, laid over. And I'm gonna lint roll it right where I'm gonna put it up here at the top. There's other ways that if you want to have it down the center, you just flip it over a little bit more, wherever you want to put it at. On this print, I want to put it closer to the front, so I'm going to put it basically in front of where this seam is. Okay, let me give this a pre-press. Pretty much all set up here. I only do a pre-press for about 5 seconds. Then I'm going to line this up. These are hot peel. That's about where I'm going to want it, right there above where the cuff is on the bottom of the sleeve. These are 360, 370 for 3 to 5 seconds. I always let my press go about a second longer. That's just my choice. And then hot peel. Just like that. I'll set up another one. And like I said, this is not burning or anything like that. This is just the pigment, the color in the shirt. It's right there on the seam. This will go away when it cools down. So I'll hold these up to the end. But like I said, I don't know if I'm in focus here. I'm going from this seam right here at the top, up by the collar. And then basically, if you want to center it, then you're going to want to flatten this out, which I'll do one on here to center it. Just set this up real quick. So I'm going from right here and putting it center on the side. So it's basically right on your side right here. Most of the time when you get brand new shirts like this, they're already going to have the creases in them from that line. Same thing, I'm going to go about 2.5 inches up. You could also use, let me see if I have it right here, a Teflon pillow if you prefer to. They're on Amazon, I'll leave them in the description. Put this right across. You got a lot of material hanging over, so that's why I'm not pulling out the slide out drawer, because I don't want all this falling over. That's what I want. Lint roll it. I'm going to give this a pre-press. Now you still have your seam from the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use my Teflon pillow for this one. And that way you're not going to be getting the crease in it. This is just ways when, if you don't have the switch out platen, some people don't have them, that you can get around that and offer prints on sleeves too. Alright, so I'm going to adjust this now. I'm going to loosen my pressure on it. And that way I won't get that seam in there. I'll hold this up at the end so you guys can see it. Okay. Get it centered up so I know where I'm at. Right where I want it at. So I have my next press over here. See which way I want this. I'm gonna go up on this side. Just down a little bit. That's exactly where I want that. Check it, make sure we're up to temp here. Like I said, these are hot peel. Press. This is on the center, on the outside. There you go. I'll hold this up at the end. I'll actually probably put it on and show you guys. There's another way to do a sleeve print right in the center. So I did it closer to the front on this side, right in the center on this side. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. This shirt's a little bit bigger than what I usually wear, but this is the first one I did. This is the one that I did in front of the seam here. If that's what you want to choose to do, there's, you know, you could print like that. You could print whichever way you want, but you want to keep it to basically a 2 inch, probably 3 inches, like the biggest I would go personally. That's, you know, whatever your choice is. That's the one on the front, if that's what you want. And then this is the one I used with the Teflon pillow that's centered down from the seam. And that way you can see it right there. And then this side. This is the first print I did on that side, and then that's the second print I did with the Teflon pillow down the center from the seam. So that's just, you know, I'll hold it closer up to the camera so you can see. But that's just, I want to show you guys that. Let me see, moving closer there. And that's just if I was standing. Same thing on this side. Like I said, the shirt's a little too big than what I wear. This is just my tester shirt. That's just easy ways that you could do prints with your regular heat press where you don't have to change out the platens or anything. So you can just get the Teflon pillows. They're dirt cheap on Amazon, and it's just an easy way that you can start printing sleeves or offering it to people that you print on sleeves. All right, guys, so like I said, I was going to show it at the end of the video. I'll show this one first. This is the one that I did in front of the seam. That was in front of the seam from this collar seam up here. So I did that right in front. You could place them wherever you want. This is just that where I would prefer if someone asked me if they want, you know, a sleeve print, this is where I would offer it. In the front here, and then this side is the one I did with the Teflon pillow, and I did it right down the center. So it's directly on the side of your sleeve when you're actually wearing the shirt. And that's the one I did on that side. So that was just a quick video for you guys, just show you an easy way to do that with just a regular standard, you know, heat press without any platen switch out. With Teflon pillows, you can get these on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, like I was saying, I'm doing a giveaway on March 24th. I'm gonna pick somebody to win this Cricut vinyl cutter. So make sure you get subscribed, because I'm gonna actually either do a Google generator or something to go through and pick the subscriber to win. So make sure you get subscribed to get a chance to win this. There's no, you know, no, you don't have to buy nothing. I'm giving it away. I'm just giving back. So I'm gonna be coming out with a lot more content this year. Yeah, I've been, you know, a lot more, you know, a little bit more busier lately. My, you know, business has taken off, which is great. Been getting a lot more orders, so I'm gonna try to do everything, put out content as much as I could. So like I said, get subscribed to get into a chance to win. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.